Greetings! In this video, I'm going to show you how I lift my vehicle. Now, before you go ahead and lift a vehicle, the first thing you should know is the curb weight of your vehicle. You have to make sure that the jack or lift that you're using is rated for the weight of the vehicle. The second thing you need to know are the lift points on the vehicle. So the lift points, you can find that in the service manual usually of the vehicle. It will show you where the lift points are under the car, and you can also find the curb weight of the vehicle as well. Today we're going to be doing the 392 Hemi Dodge Charger. This is a wide body Charger, and it weighs a little bit under 4,400 pounds. I'm going to be using QuickJack. Now, I know not everyone has QuickJacks, but this video is about lifting with QuickJack. So the QuickJack model that I have is definitely rated for this weight class. I've got it lined up. I've got one frame over here on the driver's side, and I've got one frame on the passenger side as well. They're both lined up. They're both parallel to each other. That's very important with QuickJack because the way QuickJack works, it's going to lift the entire vehicle in one shot. So when you have both rails, they have to kind of be aligned. They shouldn't be, make sure they're parallel to each other. So what that means is make sure they're not like this or like this. They're both completely parallel to each other. It's very important to keep the stability when you lift. QuickJack along with the QuickJack blocks. So I have two types of blocks here. This is a solid block. This will be used on the rear lift point. And this puck over here is a pinch weld puck. This will be used on the front lift point. So the front lift point and the rear lift point on this car are different. The front relies on the pinch weld, and the rear there's like this little kind of like a protrusion that comes down from the frame of the car. Okay, now that we've got the QuickJack frames lined up on both sides, we've verified that the blocks are aligned with the lift points under the vehicle, and we've got everything connected properly. The only thing left to do is hit this up button right here and lift the vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, that's the lock point one, and we're going to lift it all the way to the second latch point. And I'm also looking underneath the vehicle to make sure both sides are lifting evenly. And now once that lock bar passes the latch, we start bringing it back, and we make sure that it is seated properly. So, like I said, I lifted it up, and then I went past the two latch points, and this is the support bar here. This is actually what keeps the vehicle sturdy. Alright, so that is how I raise my vehicle. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching.